We're here at Manor Farm, Kelfield, which is where Richard Bramley farms. He's the lead of our Sustainable Landscapes Innovation Group, and we're here today to talk about biodiversity.
We're looking at biodiversity across the whole farm, and such as things as cover crops are really important.
The work that we've tried to do focusing on carbon shows that there is a value to carbon. We now need to recognise that farming in a more sustainable, resilient way, producing good, healthy food, without biodiversity there is no life.
The real challenge is putting numbers to biodiversity. From the biodiversity point of view, I think there's real strength at farm level in understanding the way plants and insects actually contribute to the broader habitat and how that habitat then begins to build levels of defence and support for the crops that we grow.
One of the other things we're looking to do is create what we described as a functional field margin. So this is to get a particular mix of plants, plant species that encourage beneficial insects.
So various habitats can bring different values to a farm, provide different resources for biodiversity and help to encourage it in different ways. And of course those functional field margins also provide structural habitats and shelter for things like spiders and small mammals as well.
From an agronomic point of view, I think biodiversity plays a really strong role in preventing a lot of potential yield decline as the synthetic chemistry that we use becomes harder to access, harder to use, or even loses its approval. By raising awareness on biodiversity, I think brands can get some significant leverage with regard to the consumer. Look at where you're growing, look at what you're doing, look at the good bits that are right here beside the food that you're going to eat. Talk to them about carbon and they're going to go, Talk to them about biodiversity and they're going, oh wow, I can see something. That for me would be, it's engagement, it's real positive engagement.
The message to the brand is you really are benefiting from buying into that. You know, this is the way we need to farm. We need to farm in a way that both enhances the environment and produces quality food.
And for me, the end result, actually getting to where we are now, Yorkshire farmers, the Sustainable Landscapes programme, firmly recognised by an international scientific community as doing the right thing for the planet, and I think that is massively important.